Have you noticed more hair in your brush or circling the shower drain lately? If you're over 40, don't just blame aging. Your body is trying to tell you something deeper is happening inside. Think of your hair roots as tiny factories. To grow strong hair, they need a constant supply of nutrients and oxygen from your blood. But after 40, shifting hormones and slow circulation can starve these factories. The fix isn't a miracle shampoo. It starts with nutrition. Your hair is made of a protein called keratin. Eating foods rich in protein and biotin, like eggs, gives your hair factories the exact raw materials they need to rebuild. Combine that with lower stress, better sleep, and a gentle daily scalp massage to boost blood flow, and you can actively wake those sleeping roots back up. Don't let hair loss steal your confidence. Start fueling your body from within. Hit follow and subscribe to RevioraLife for more simple daily health tips.